The age-old question. Which programming language is best for data science? And just like religion or which way round the toilet roll should go, the debate is endless. But what happens when that debate affects something as crucial as smart city healthcare? Well, grab your virtual clipboard because we're diving into this techno-medical conundrum. In this modern utopia, or dystopia, depending on your Wi-Fi signal, healthcare isn't just about doctors and nurses anymore. Smart cities are revolutionizing medicine with data-driven approaches. Imagine sensors monitoring your blood pressure in real time and alerting an AI that knows more about you than your own mother. But here's the rub. How do we process all that data? You need a programming language that can handle the pressure, pun absolutely intended. Enter our three gladiators, Julia, Python, and R. Python, the darling of data scientists, the jack of all trades, and let's be honest, the one most of you are already using. It's like that comfortable old hoodie. Familiar, reliable, but sometimes frustratingly slow. R, the stats nerd's best friend, beloved in academia, and basically the Excel of machine learning. But when it comes to speed, let's just say it prefers to take its time, much like a consultant billing by the hour. Julia, the new kid on the block, promising both Python's ease and C's speed. It's got the agility of a caffeinated intern and the precision of a Swiss watch, perfect for real-time health analytics. Data processing power. Julia wins. Why? It's built for scientific computing, crunches numbers faster than a government tax department, and plays nicely with neural networks. Data processing power. Julia wins. Why? It's built for scientific computing, crunches numbers faster than a government tax department, and plays nicely with neural networks. Ease of use. Python is king. It's the language of the people, with thousands of libraries making it the safe and familiar choice. Statistical analysis R still holds its ground. If you're deep into complex data models, it's still the weapon of choice. But for real-time patient monitoring, it's like using a horse-drawn carriage in an F1 race. Overall verdict, if you need AI-driven, real-time analytics, go Julia. If you want an easy-to-use, general-purpose language, Python's your mate. If you're still writing academic papers and enjoy long statistical arguments, R will make you happy. Imagine healthcare where AI predicts medical emergencies before they happen. Imagine healthcare where artificial intelligence predicts medical emergencies before they happen. Smart cities aren't just about faster Uber Eats deliveries. They're about real-time monitoring, personalized medicine, and saving lives. Choosing the right tool for the job means fewer system crashes and hopefully fewer patients waiting for the system to respond. So next time someone asks, which programming language should I learn? Just ask them, do you want your data science to be fast, easy, or painfully statistical? I am your guide, Antonio Klim. May the pseudo-powers be always with you.